係啦，咁之前咧就講到關於個 light spectrum 啦。咁其實咧，咁我就話佢有啲 patterns 咁樣啦，可以 show 到唔同嘅，即係畫翻出嚟啦。即係譬如佢有啲 light 去即係 pass through 佢，咁佢就咧會做咗一個即係 emission spectrum 咁樣嘅。咁其實佢哋咁點解佢有一個即係 emission spectrum 呢？咁就因為嗰啲 electromagnetic radiation 咧，咁就 release 咗啲 energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation 啦。咁啊做咗呢個 patterns 出嚟。咁其實每一次嘅 electron transition 咧都 release 咗啲 energy。咁我哋會即係有個 unit 去俾佢，咁就 quantum 啦。咁呢個係知嘅 quantum。又或者叫 photon，OK？咁呢個 terms 係要學識嘅，好緊要嘅，就 quantum 同埋 photon，即係 one packet of energy， 咁就叫 quantum， 或者 photon， 係啦。咁其實 the energy of photon 呢就 proportional to the frequency of the radiation， 咁即係之前都有講過嘅。咁就係即係個 electromagnetic radiation 啦，有 wavelengths， 跟住有 frequency 同埋 colours。咁最主要呢，今次即係呢個 photons， 即係嗰個 amount of energy 呢，咁係同 frequency 係有掛鈎嘅。咁佢哋就係 proportional to frequency。咁呢個係要知道嘅，呢個係啦 quantum。咁所以個 energy of the photon of light emitted is equal to the energy change。咁所以由呢一個 light spectrum 我哋可以 deduce 到 electronic arrangement 呢，因為佢呢個係可以反映到嗰個 energy change 係幾多，咁而知道佢，因為佢之前講過唔同嘅 energy level 噶嘛，佢嗰個 electron orbit 有，咁佢反映到即係個 photon of energy 去睇佢係由邊個即係 energy level 嗰度去即係有 transition 咁樣啦。咁所以呢，我哋可以得出一個結論呢，就係、即係 the energy of the photon of light energy of photon of light emitted is equal to the energy change in the atoms。咁所以佢有一條 formula， 就係、呢個就係 energy change 啦。三個人係代表 change 咁解啦，即係 energy。E 係 energy 咁嘅，即係 energy change in the of the electrons is equal to the electron photons 或者 quantum 啦。OK。咁而頭先講個 photons 呢，係同 frequency 係 proportional 嘅，咁所以呢，佢有一條式就係 E photon， 我哋係可以計到嘅 HF。F 呢就 stand for frequency 啦。H 係一個 constant 嚟嘅。咁呢個 constant 呢就有個名嘅，就叫 Planck's。係啦，咁呢個就係 constant 嚟嘅。咁而通常我哋就可以喺呢啲 data booklet 嗰度可以即係揾到 H。咁只要知道佢個 frequency 呢，就可以計到呢個即係 photons energy of photon of light。咁佢知道佢個 energy change within 嗰個 atoms 啦。係啦，咁而嗰個 photons of 即係 energy of photon of light， 咁同埋嗰啲即係嗰啲 lines 咧就 with 呢個 certain frequency， 咁就可以知道即係個 frequency 啦，亦都知道 photon energy of photon of light，咁就可以分析到 electron 係即係 occupy 喺邊個 orbit 嗰度啦，即係嗰啲我哋平時講 electronic shells、electron shells， 咁呢啲就 orbits 啦，即係呢啲嗰度呢啲 OK。咁而呢個呢，我哋要 make sure 佢係一個 discrete amount 嘅，即係個 energy change 感覺緊 discrete amount 嘅，因為佢 orbit 係分開嘅，大家之間同之間，咁先可以做到嗰個即係 line spectrum 個 patterns 咁樣啦。之前都話過啦。咁所以我哋會講呢個 energy is quantized 就係呢個 terms， 即係嗰啲 energy of the atom is quantized， 即係類似係 quantify 咁樣啦，即係可以計算出嚟嘅，係啦。咁呢個就係今堂要學嘅。